I have a GE dishwasher, GDF620HMJ2ES. When starting a cycle, after 5 seconds it chimes 3 times, and the start light LED blinks continuously, even with the door shut. Checked it is not in locked mode or demo mode. In consumer error mode, all LED lights blink and 815 displays, for 10 seconds. So far, I replaced the door switch with new, with no change. Visually check the wiring harness from switch to bottom of dishwasher with no fraying found. I do not have service mini manual, 31 to 30,743, but found 31 to 30,741 on web. Not sure if they are different.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
3 years, GDF620HMJ2ES. Bought at Sears.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
We have a small child who may have been pushing buttons. A small area of the heating element looks almost white compared to rest of it.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you today. The site will give an additional option to speak by phone, which you can ignore if you want. Error 815 can't really be caused by a child pushing buttons. Unfortunately, it means that your main control board down below the dishwasher has failed and needs to be replaced. The board is all plug and play, so if you're handy you can replace it yourself. Below is a link to the part number WD21 by 23456, you need to order, as well as a video on how to replace it. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance. Hello? I'm just following up because I haven't heard back from you and I see this question is still open and unrated. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Hi, thanks for your prompt replies for my questions. I have ordered the part, and if it fixes it I would of course rate your service excellent.
Not a problem, and glad to help. If you need anything else, just let me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.